Hey guys, this is my beautiful Ipicatanthe. Hang on, I get the name tag. There. Ipicatanthe Volcano Trick, Volcano Queen. It's finally blooming for this season. And I have 2 spikes. It's not very much buds, but I'll take them. They're very pretty. Yeah. She's got a little bit of mealybugs here, but I took care of it right away so that I can enjoy the bloom much longer. Yeah, this one's been open for like a week. I was waiting for this 3 buds in there to open, but I couldn't wait to show this to you guys. It's got very beautiful color. Yeah. I had a couple of fan in this area in here, and then this cattleya, my plants in here they just dried out quickly, which is a good thing, I guess. It's better drier. They're in the drier side than in the wet side, so I end up watering them every 3 days at the most. Yeah, every 3 days, and it's very easy. I just put water in there, soak them, and then drain out. Yeah, very cute. Let me see if I can smell anything. No scent. Yeah, it's very compact. It's very compact cattleya. And this is the friend right here. It's drooping. I almost broke the spike. This one's very fragrant. This is my LC Mini Song Petite. Look at that. Very gorgeous. Yeah. Wow. Anyway, this is my ATT Volcano Trick, Volcano Queen. So happy about this. Okay guys, this is a very short video, and as always, thank you for watching. Bye.